I welcome you back to a new video tutorial for web designing using HTML and CSS. So today in this second video tutorial we will learn the basic HTML tags. Now understanding basic HTML tag, we have to understand that every tag is written in two forms, opening tag and closing tag. So whenever whatever text you want for that particular tag, you have to put that content in between the opening and closing tag. Now some basic text formatting HTML tags. You can observe B tag, opening and closing. It is making the text bold. I tag for making the text in italics. U tag is for underlining your text. BR tag and HR tag. BR is for adding a new line break. Means if you want to display the statement or the sentence into a new line, you have to put BR tag over there. And HR tag is for adding horizontal line into your web page. You can observe these two tags are not having closing tags. Center tag, it is to put your text or images to the center. So let's see some example. So I have created one simple web page where just to demonstrate these tags. So I have created a web page with title basic HTML tags part 1. Now here I have used B tag, U tag, I tag. Then I have printed now two. You can observe 1, 2 and 3. 3 new lines are there. Everywhere only 2 new line tags are there, BR tags. But here 3 tags are there. So you can observe that this line will be having at some more distance as compared to the previous ones. And HR tag, here a new line will get added. And center tag, this particular text will get displayed at the center of the page. So let's observe the output. See, B tag, the text is printed in bold, underlined, italic. Then I am printed at next line, because see, you can observe two BR tags are used and here 3 BR tags are used. So this the distance is more. This particular line is printed because of HR tag, and this we have put this statement in a center. So this is printed in a center line. So let's continue with the next tag, that is strike, then superscript, subscript, small and TT. The tags, you can understand the meaning of the tag just by its name itself. Strike is for striking the content, superscript for subscript, for having a small text, for having typewriter font text, and strong text that is shown as bold in most of the browsers. So if we see the example of the same, first I will show you the output of this. See, date extended. Sometimes you have displayed some schedule on your website and that schedule got postponed or something changed due to some reason. Then you can put the statement like this, like date extended, and this is striked. So this 31/5, this date has been written in a strike tag. Rest of the content is normally written out of the strike tag. Here the superscript is given, subscript is given. So only 2 is written in a superscript. Rest is in a normal font. Water is equal to H2O. I am small. You can observe it is written in a small tag so that it is appearing smaller as compared to the other text. Now I am typewriter font. This typewriter font is there. Then I am strong because of the strong tag. So strong, this particular word is written in a strong tag so that it is appearing as a bold. So in a program you can observe H2O. So only 2 has been written as in a subscript tag so that only 2 will be subscripted. X square. So only superscript 2 is written in a SUP tag. For striking, only this date has been written in a strike tag. In this way, whatever content you want means to apply that particular tag property, only that much content you have to write into your into that particular tag and close that particular tag. Okay, so with this we have finished with some of the basic text formatting tags. So next, let's meet in next tutorial. Bye for now. Thank you.